should I hire a local attorney versus getting an attorney from outside of my area? For example, if your case is being tried in Norfolk, Virginia, should you get a local Norfolk attorney or should you get someone from outside? And really it depends. I mean, if you can find a very experienced lawyer that you like, that is willing to come in and fight for you, then interview that lawyer, but you should also keep your options open. Some of the best trial lawyers, civilian trial lawyers that practice in military courts are based in a certain location and they travel to every single case. For example, I don't do very many local cases. I don't practice in local courts. Most of my cases I have to get on a plane and fly to it or drive to it. Now there is an additional cost associated with having an outside attorney fly into your destination, such as airfare, hotel, rental car, and so forth. However, you have to kind of balance out. Do you want to bring in an outside attorney who's not buddies with the prosecutor, who hasn't gone against these same prosecutors over and over again? Or do you want to bring in someone who's in that courtroom every day? I mean, really it's a matter of choice. But when we show up to try a military case, we're not going out there to make friends. We go out there with one objective, and that's to get you the best outcome that we can. So, and I find sometimes local attorneys tend to be a little bit too tight with the local prosecutor and with the SJ offices. As a matter of fact, some of them work and drill in those offices as reservists on the weekends. So in other words, they're reservists that work in the same SJ office that's trying to put you in jail or in a reserve office. That doesn't mean that you can't hire that attorney or that attorney can't do a good job. You just need to use your best judgment, interview the attorney, figure out what their background is, and then balance. Do we want to bring in an outside guy or do we want to go with the local counsel? And a lot of times you'll find that outside counsel charge less money than the local attorneys, and they'll also devote a lot more time to your case. They'll come and prepare and get ramped up for your court-martial several days in advance and go in there with that singular goal in mind of getting you the best outcome possible.